Releasing a sweet jasmine fragrance, the smell of Floral's 11 orchid can last the entire day. Our fragrances are made to calm your mind and nourish your body. Part of the fragrance composition includes therapeutic orchids. These orchids can be consumed as medicinal tonic, applied topically, or used aromatically. Used in decoction, this orchid is beneficial in improving blood circulation, reducing swellings, treatment of tuberculosis, and possesses great detoxifying effects. A popular orchid used in traditional Chinese medicine for its versatility. Antipyretic, removing toxins, alleviating dizziness, coughs, and fatigue are just a few medicinal benefits of this orchid. It could also be used as a painkiller. To create a fragrance composition which complements the orchid's exquisite aromas, we've included additional ingredients. Known primarily for its beautiful flowers that bloom in a myriad of vibrant colors, bougainvillea has a fragrant scent closely resembling the scent of honeysuckle. Like most plants, this flower has also proven to be useful medicinally, possessing various health benefits from treating digestive problems, coughs, to enhancing our respiratory system. Bougainvillea truly is not just an ornamental plant. This scent will just be the one to add the right amount of sophistication and elegance to your perfume.